Hi friends, gallbladder is our secret best friend. Most of the times, we don't even remember that there is something called gallbladder in our body. Even if you don't care about it, it still helps our body in critical digestion process. This small organ stores bile, which is produced by the liver to digest fatty food. That is why it is called secret best friend. But this friend can turn into enemy. This can develop something called gallstones, which cannot be easily dissolved. These gallstones can cause sudden shooting pain in the upper abdomen, just right under your ribs, and also in the back. Sometimes you may also feel vomiting, gas, and indigestion. But why this happens? Why our gallbladder develops stones? The reason for this again lies mostly in our food habits and lifestyle. Number 1. Eating high cholesterol food regularly is the primary reason for these gallstones. 80% of the gallstones are formed from cholesterol. Number 2. Drinking alcohol too much and too regularly can form another type of stones. Number 3. Obesity, sedentary lifestyle, taking less vegetables and fruits, etc. can increase the risk of gallstones. So you need to consume high fiber and low fat food. Avoid or limit alcohol intake to prevent the gallstone formation in the first place. What if you already have gallstones? If your gallstones are troubling you too much, then it is important to talk to your doctor. Sometimes your doctor may recommend to remove the gallbladder surgically if needed. However, if you think you have silent gallstones, or you want to dissolve the gallstones naturally, or you want to prevent the gallstones from the formation in the first place, then there are some useful natural remedies. In this video, we will see a simple, easy drink that helps in this case and keeps our secret best friend happy. This drink is also tasty and you will love to continue this habit. Take one small glass of water, around 250 ml or 1 cup. To this, we will add apple cider vinegar. I prefer to take organic apple cider vinegar with mother in it. Apple cider vinegar, due to its acidic nature, is capable of dissolving stones. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can lower pain and inflammation. Just add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to this glass of water. Apple cider vinegar is little strong, so it takes time to get used to this. Now we need a lemon. We will use both the juice and lemon peels in this. First, let us add lemon peels. Using this lemon zester, I am grating lemon peel to extract thin lemon zest. Lemon peel is full of bioactive compounds. It contains a special compound called D-limonene. In a study, when people are injected with a D-limonene solvent, people experienced disappearance of gallstones. Lemon peels are very important in this remedy. Grate 1 tablespoon of this lemon zest and add it to the drink. Let's squeeze in some juice. Lemon juice contains pectin that helps soothe the pain, and the vitamin C makes the cholesterol water soluble. This helps in quick elimination of the stone. To this glass, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Optionally, you can add little honey for taste. Usually, I drink without honey. For this video, I am adding little honey. Now mix all this solution and drink this juice early in the morning before breakfast. Wait for 30 minutes before eating any food. If you are taking thyroid pills or antacid pills, you can take this drink 30 minutes after taking the pill. Taking this special drink regularly can prevent the formation of gallstones and helps to dissolve the existing stones. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.